Let's go get him again.
The brand of Lattafa. Never heard of them before. Until now. I got their release called Pure Oudi right here. No, I'm not trying to be cutesy. It's not pure oud, it's pure Oudi. I'll be honest, a little skeptical about this release. I'm not too sure what I'm going to get here. It's a blind purchase. I always like when they have like a little thing here saying, you got a free perfume deodorant inside. Little skeptical of what I'm going to be unboxing today, but this is what we do. We unbox them. Let's go. Fragrance family, welcome to the Roped Away channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we're doing a unboxing and giving a real first impression here. This is straight up blind first impression of Pure Oudi. No, I'm not trying to be cute. It's Pure Oudi by the brand of Lattafa. Okay, so what do I mean by being ultra blind? Well, sometimes I know the nose behind the fragrance, or I know the brand a little bit. You know, I'm not real new to the brand, to the nose, all this. This is straight up blind, man. Never smelt anything from the brand. Actually never heard of the brand until just now, recently. Now that I have this, I was like, what brand is this? And, you know, never looked at any fragrance reviews on this brand. Don't know what they have released. Some of you may be saying you're living under a rock because this is a brand that has a lot of releases, but let's try out Pure Oudi. All right, well, it's time to unbox this sucker. Let's hope that we have some Pure Oudi in here. That wasn't a funny joke, I know. So this thing, supposed to be oud based, or supposed to be, with the name. Now this thing is supposed to come with an EDP fragrance, but also a deodorant spray. I'll be honest, I probably won't be using the deodorant spray, which is this thing right here. Looks like a little Febreze thing. But what we're here for is this bottle, this fragrance. Oh, what's in there? Cinnamon? Cinnamon? No, looks like wood to me. Either way. So Pure Oudi, actually, honestly, the design looks pretty decent. It's got some wood chips inside of it. I don't know if that's... It looks like wood chips. I might be wrong. But kind of sweet design, but there's a lot of stuff floating around in this bottle, to be quite honest. But nice design. The cap itself has no real weight to it. So let's delve into this one. I'm assuming this is going to be a darker set and a nude-based set. So let's sniff it out and let's see what I just got myself into here. Decent. Okay, good cinnamon. This is a cinnamon-based fragrance to me. Okay, it's got some florals here. Some soapy clean florals. You got some cinnamon. You got some honeyed sweetness here. Honey, floral. Lots of cinnamon though. And it's not really that dark. It reminds me of something, the cinnamon in here. The use of it. It's same with something else, a designer release. I can't put my name on it yet. Actually, a lot of the backbone of this release. The floral's jasmine, by the way. Well-balanced release. Oh, it's got some woods here. You know what? Not a bad release. Honestly, I wasn't expecting much out of this release. Oud. I'm not feeling any oud here. Again, it's off a strip. Might be at the back end of the release, as I always say when I smell them on the strip. It's not the full story, but primary note, cinnamon. A lot of secondary notes here. There's some vanillic tendencies. There's some jasmine in here. It almost has like a... Jasmine gives it some sweetness. but the cinnamon's your main player. It's got a vanillic backbone to the release. So we got some vanilla here, a little bit of that sweetness. It has some woody aspects too. I wouldn't classify that as oud, but it does have some woody backbone, but it's woody, it's spicy, it's well balanced. It's got almost like a balminess to it, like an amberiness to the release. The balance is what's intriguing. This is actually well done. And I got this on fragrancebuy.ca, which is a Canadian discounter. And I think it's going for 25 bucks for an Oriental fragrance. Decent, but it reminds me of a designer release, and I can't think on top of my head which one it is on top of my head though. But obviously a lot of these notes are very prominent in a lot of fragrances. There's nothing crazy here, but oud centric, no, at least not from this. None of it actually, unless you're thinking the wood is, but I don't know. At the end of the day, hey, pure Oudi. I feel childish saying Oudi. A decent release. Presentation's decent. It's got the wood chips inside of the bottle, but I like the gold design here too. The cap, you got the wood here. It's got no weight, zero weight to it. But for the price that they're asking, this might be like a hidden gem of some sort. So I'm going to keep my nose on you. You're going to go over here now and wait for your cue for Pop the Cherry. But this one has some promise to it. I'm looking forward to putting it on skin, trying it out. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. This may be a scent that a lot of you know about, and I'm the noob here. So please let us know what you guys think about this release or this brand. Going through, what was it? I went to Parfumo, I think was the website I went to check out this line, and I saw that they have over 70 releases. So that's my limited knowledge of the brand. So they got a lot of releases. I haven't done a YouTube search yet if anybody else is talking about this release, but for the price right now, I got a radar on you. I'm going, okay, maybe for 20 bucks, you're a pretty good release. So we'll see. As always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.